Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee with a French press. Boil water just off the boil, grind beans coarsely, and preheat the press by rinsing with hot water. Add coffee, pour in water, and start a timer. Stir gently after 30 seconds, place the lid with plunger up, and let brew for 4 minutes for a clean, full-bodied cup ready for pressing and serving. In this video, I will explain how to make coffee with a French press. Grind your beans to a coarse, consistent size and weigh them using a 1:15 ratio of coffee to water. Measuring ensures predictable strength and flavor, so adjust the ratio slightly for personal preference. Use filtered water at the correct temperature and pour evenly over grounds to start a steady extraction and achieve a balanced cup. In this video, I will help how to make coffee with a French press. Pour hot water evenly over the grounds, saturating them fully, then start a timer and stir gently after 30 seconds. Cover with the lid and let brew without plunging until 4 minutes total have elapsed. Press the plunger down slowly and steadily to reduce agitation, then pour immediately to prevent continued extraction and maintain a clean, balanced flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.